everybody, welcome to Caribbean Kitchen with Sienny. Today I will be doing a sea moss smoothie, and the ingredients that I'll be using are dried cranberry, flaxseed, milk, brown sugar, ripe banana, prune, sea moss, salt. The spices are vanilla and cinnamon, and of course water. Now, before we go into the making of the smoothie, there are some things that I'd love to tell you about sea moss. It is very, very healthy, and I knew about it a few months ago when I found out that I was hypertensive. That's the low blood pressure, and a friend of mine recommended it. But before I started taking it, I went home and I did a research, and I found out that it has a lot of health benefits, and these are some of the information I found. Now, sea moss is also called seaweed, and it is packed with vitamin A, E, and K. It has calcium, potassium, and iodine. It is good for dry skin, eczema. It is used as a thickening agent for soup and smoothies. Another thing that I have found out about sea moss is that it is good for weight management. It helps to get rid of the mucus, excess mucus within the body. For persons who are suffering from hormone imbalance, you can make the seaweed a part of your daily diet, and it will help you. It is also used as a mood enhancer. So see, this right here is full of a lot of benefits. So what you can do, if you cannot take it by itself as it is now, you can mix it in the smoothie, as we will be doing shortly. Now, I have used banana as a fruit, but you can feel free to use any fruit that you want, whether papaya, pineapple, guava, just about any fruit you can get, you can use it. Normally you would take it like 3 times a day. Well, that's what I try to do, to take it 3 times a day, but instead of taking it like this, I use it in the smoothie. So I will drink it for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sometimes, not all the times, but sometimes I only do it for dinner, and I rather to do it for dinner because it doesn't allow me to feel packed. It helps me to feel relaxed. My body does not work that hard to break down the food, so because I'm taking it in the liquid, it is better to digest for me. So to start, I am going to pour some water in the blender. This is a prune. This is the dried cranberry. The flaxseed. This is an overripe banana. Using this kind of banana, it will give more taste to the smoothie. Sure. Vanilla. parish moss. We're going to blend again. One thing I should share with you is if you do not want it too thick, then you can add some more water. The consistency of mine is like this. I'd rather some more water in mine, so I'm going to add more water. Or you can add milk. So now we have done blending or smoothie, and here you go. Cheers. Let's drink together. Thank you so much for joining in today. Cheers.